In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card balance in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will help you through the process with ease and confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks Online and focus your attention on the left-hand panel. This is where all the main functions of QuickBooks reside. You'll see options like Dashboard, Sales, Expenses, and others, but today, we're heading into the Transactions section. Once there, locate and click on the Reconcile tab. This is where the magic happens. The Reconcile feature is designed to make sure that the figures in QuickBooks match the actual transactions on your credit card statements, helping you ensure that everything's in order and accurate. Once you're in the Reconcile tab, you're going to choose the specific credit card account you need to reconcile. Now, remember, it's important to be working with the right account, especially if you manage more than one. You'll select your account from the drop-down menu. After you've done that, it's time to enter the statement ending balance and the date. These details should match the most recent statement provided by your credit card company. Ensuring accuracy here is crucial because these figures are what you will work against to verify all transactions are correctly recorded. With the ending balance and date entered, you're set to begin the reconciliation process. Click on the button that says Start Reconciling and you're off and running. Here's where you'll verify each transaction recorded in QuickBooks matches what's on your credit card statement. This might take a little time, depending on how many transactions you have, but it's a key step in maintaining accurate financial records. Look for any discrepancies or errors, which could be as simple as a typo in the transaction amount or a missing entry altogether. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll ensure not only that your credit card balance is accurately reflected in QuickBooks Online, but also contribute to the overall integrity of your financial records. This reconciliation process isn't just a good accounting habit. It's also a fantastic way to catch potential errors before they become issues. Remember, keeping your financial records up to date and reconciled regularly can save you significant time and stress, especially when it's time to report taxes or assess your business's financial health. I hope this walkthrough has made the process of reconciling a credit card balance in QuickBooks Online clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling!